Hey fellas, and we have the Makita big badass orders drill BHP458, and it's just not working as it's stepped on a drilling mount, and at first speed I can tell that the motor is burning out, so the tool is overloaded. That's a common thing. Of course, I will open it and check it. Okay, we can see that the carbon brush is really not much left. I will remove the carbon brushes. You can see the end line for the carbon brush here, and it's stepped here. So definitely we need the new carbon brushes. You can see the dusts in the housing, so we need to clean it. Lifting the tool, and I think we have a nice good motor here. Strange, it looks like the carbon brushes was not touching the commutator or something. Someone cleaned it. I will check how the carbon brushes are moving in the holder unit. Just inserting same carbon brushes. The spring. You can see that it can be that the carbon brush was not touching the armature commutator. And of course we need the carbon brushes, and now we need to test the drill itself. So I will put a battery and take my multimeter. And what I want to see here, it's 18 volts. Like here we have, let's put it here, we have the 18.3, and we will measure it on a carbon brush holder unit. Of course you can measure it on a switch, outgoing contact, and you can see that we have only 5.4. That can be that our switch is faulty. Here I'll take it out of here, and I will try to measure this wires. Okay, press it with my fingers, pressing it, and yep, only 5 5.4. Other direction, yep, 5.4. So what can be wrong with it? I see the small problem here. This and we can see that it's not blown up. And if you will order a genuine part, you will get it with the old switch. But I think I will try to find this transistor, if I would remember, for the spares, to replace it here and to test. Maybe that will solve a problem. And I have purchased a new transistor or MOSFET. You can see they are almost the same. This one is burn it down, explode. This one is new, so I will just solder the wires from one to another, and then I will test the drill. Okay, now I have changed the transistor. You can see the old one is here on a copper plate. I will replace it and screw here the new one, the good one. You can use the heat paste if you have. I don't have it, so I'm not using it. And as the transistor is changing now, we can start to assemble the drill back again. Just checking for the groove here. Making sure that the choke unit is in place, the carbon brush holder, yeah, we can see that it's a groove here and it must perfect fit here. Now the switch, the copper plate. Of course, we hope that this transistor will not blow up when we will assemble everything and test the drill. Just closing the drill. And we have the new carbon brushes, CB440. Lifting the springs. Inserting the brush. Not forget to put the spring back. Connect the wire, bend it down. Repeat the same again. Just make sure that everything is good here. Putting the back over. And now the moment of the truth is you can see that it's working, it's hammering, it's working in a different direction. You can adjust the clutch. It's a lot of power. Whoa. A lot of power, cannot check the clutch, maybe it's a problem. I can suspect the problem with the gear IC here. Because it looks strange how I can spin it like that more than one on a clutch, and it's still have very a lot of power. So I think I will make the next video on the gear IC deassemble. For first repair we have the Mosfet changed and the drill works again. But now of course I need to check what's wrong with the gear IC for this drill.